unscripted.
Today we're going to be testing my Mustang. We're going to the track tomorrow, and I wanted to see how the watt box basically works. I want to make sure that this thing, like, you know, is actually functional before we take it to the strip and have problems there. So we're going to be doing some launches with prep and without prep to see if I can hook. I doubt it, and we're in a bad spot. So we're going to do no prep first, and then we'll do prep the second time in a different area. Mustang's running good though, so it's gonna blow the tires off and smoke them. I'm gonna do a burnout. Let's drop some tire pressure and try it out. Why it's pulling power like that. There we go. I guess it's a little bit different with this setup. Or I'm rusty. I don't know. One of the two, but we'll try a little dig. Yeah, the watt box is not working. So that one, I forgot to air down because we were so nervous, like with the cars being on that road. Don't know what's going on with the burnout. I don't know. I was stepping on the brake. It did not want to. It was kind of just pushing through it. You have video of that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was pushing through it. A lot of power. Second off, this is why we're practicing this stuff before I go to the track, because the watt box did not engage. So whatever I messed settings-wise this morning, messed it up because it worked this morning. Until now. So gotta see what's up with that. I'm gonna see what's going on with that software right now, and then I guess we're gonna go to another spot and try the glue out, because we already got our answer. This thing kinda, I think it'll hook. Like when I air down and have some glue on it, I do a burnout in the glue, I think it'll hook up. What we're gonna do is find some water, try this again and do it with the glue this time. But obviously we're gonna have to road trip because we are in the middle of freaking nowhere right now. We'll give it a second shot. Tons of water on the rear wheels, the glue, and I'll go down even further on tire pressure because I forgot to do it the first time around. So I'm sitting at like 15, 16 PSI. Should be like 14. Ready? Yep. Just secured the waters right here. So we got 2 gallons. We're gonna hit the gym and try again because it's just too hot. There's too many people outside right now. They're definitely gonna call the cops, and I definitely don't want to be doing that right now. I don't want to deal with it. Not like anything would happen, because like, what are they gonna say? Oh, you spun the tires. But like,
I mean, we did already see a sheriff, so
yeah, we're not doing this.
A few moments later.
Station number 2 now. Look at this guy. It is 5'7". He's 5'7", right?
Yeah, guys. Exhaust leak.
We forgot to bring the tire gauge, so we're just guessing. 1, 2. But the car's all lined up. See it right there. We're gonna go ahead and pour the water underneath each tire, and then I'll drive through it. Now we're gonna pour the water under each tire. Now we've got the prep, and we're just gonna pour it under the tires, and I'll spin the tires in it. So just like that, yeah, it doesn't have to be crazy. Let's do this thing. Let's see if it'll hook up. Ready? Okay, boys. That was a good burnout. I got it back now. Get hooked. missed, boys. It hooked. How did I miss? I just like completely didn't even think of it. That's why we're practicing. It hooked. Man, I fumbled that so bad. I missed again, bro. It's so hard. Jeez. It's so hard to hit that shift.
Wait.
Okay, so the car hooks. Like, that's crazy. I didn't think it was gonna hook, but like, I am so not used to having that flywheel rev so fast because it's lightweight that it's not like anything I've ever done at the track. So the launch is perfect, right? Like, you see the launch.
Bro, it looks beautiful, yeah.
Like, bam! But when I try to pull second gear, like, I'm too late, and I guess I'm like already hitting limiter, and the car, like, I'm just not too familiar with the 1 to 2 on this car right now with that shifter. So I honestly need to just go whack it in first and get like used to it. Whack it, that's kind of crazy, but that's what I need to do. Car freaking takes off.
I mean, the front angle's crazy. You should see it.
It squats.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Like crazy. Dang.
Yeah.
Man, what the heck? I usually never have a problem shifting, but always with this Barton shifter, like even when we first installed it with the built trans, like the second gear was always iffy. It didn't want to like lock in. So maybe I'm just pulling it wrong because I'm used to my stock shifter. I don't know. I need to yank it a different way.
Yo. Well.
So it spun, but I didn't think it was spinning inside the car because it was like a controlled spin, if that makes sense. So it was like, whap. I'm wondering if I'm getting locked out because it's spinning, so it doesn't want to jam second gear, but I bet you it's user error. Like, I'm just not used to it. It's just like it revs so fast. I don't know, you'll see it on the GoPro, but you can see tire thing right here is me in first, and then, I mean, like I'm spinning the whole time, and then I tried to hit second, and it was just like, wow. The first time I was a complete NPC bot, bro. Like, I didn't even like think it was gonna rev that fast, so I was like still holding the wheel. I mean, holding the shifter. I came off the shifter to hold the wheel because I thought it was gonna spin and throw it sideways. And like by the time I needed to shift, I was already at the limiter. So
it spins more in early gears with the ESS than Whipple.
no, the Whipple would do the same thing. To be fair, we never street tested the Whipple because I didn't want to play that game. That Whipple, like, it makes a lot more jam and sauce down low. But you guys got to remember, I'm launching at 4,500 RPMs on the street, no prep. And that's why that thing is spinning like that. But it's like a controlled spin, if that makes sense. There's two types of spins. One will kick the car out sideways. Another will keep you straight. And you can keep glazing the tires, you know, glaze it, and go in a straight line. But the other one will kick the car out sideways. That's the dangerous type. You need to let off. And you can feel that in the steering wheel. You guys hear that?
That thing's sticky.
Oh, yeah.
Toby behind the scenes action.
Bro, did it detonate? Is that some knock, or is that... Nah, he said as long as it's not on throttle, we're good. So, oh, that is on throttle. But that could be the clutch because I missed.
And he also did say, expect some knock.
Yeah, because of the clutch.
Yeah.
He said the clutch rattles and makes noise.
The next day.
It's not working. I've tried 2 different cards now. TikTok is not paying anymore, guys. I'm getting declined. Oh. I didn't even have it in. Alright. I'm gonna have to go inside.
Look at this guy. So basically, he's going pee right now on the side of the highway. We're just stopped here. The Hoosiers in the back.
Pick the car in, so we're gonna switch over to the bead locks and then see what's up with that. I'm pretty nervous, but as Antonio says, if you're nervous, that means it matters to you.
I mean, yeah. I mean, if you're some like sentient robot that's like, this is cake. I mean,
yeah, true. I feel like that's a good quality to have, and not just like look at it and be like, I got this. This is cake.
yeah, makes you lock in.
Yeah, you need the lock. You need to have that fear. Fear's a good thing.
How are you feeling?
Nervous? It is what it is, though. I'm here to get seat time. That's why I'm here. So best outcome possible. I think I go like a 10-0. 9. He wants me going 9. Justin wants me going 9.
I say 9.8. I say
he said the same thing when I came here with my Camaro though. He's like, we're going 9s. I went 10-0. It's so close.
Smash the record, bro.
I hope so. On your phone, your camera roll. All right, bet.
A little pre-race feeling.
Nervous. Am I going right or left lane?
You can go in whatever lane you want, bro.
Which one's stickier? Left?
So,
Yeah.
there you go.
All right, Toby, you're here.
Yep. You like the fit?
Oh boy.
More than that. That's like pretty low. It's probably because I short shifted it. So I think I short shifted. I'm not entirely sure, but I have the log. I mean, I can send it to my tuner right now, but I can't get any feedback from him because it's after hours. That's what kind of sucks. Car trapped 133, which is definitely pretty slow. It should be trapping 147, but I think that maybe because I short shifted a couple of gears. The 2 to 3 and the 1 to 2 for sure. The third gear I let rev out. I don't know. I'm gonna try again. If it doesn't pick up mile an hour, I'm done for the night. Right, Justin? Don't you think so? Like if it doesn't pick up mile an hour again?
Yeah, if it doesn't go up from 133, then
yeah, just
no.
There's a problem. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Point in continuously trying.
Yeah.
Let's have hope, guys. Have some
Hey,
hope.
10-second car is not bad.
Hey, this is a 2-year thing.
Yeah. 2 years not driving a manual car down the strip.
So, Toby, the forbidden bonsai run.
We are raising the launch RPM to 4,500 because that's what Alex told me to do from Lund Racing. So we'll do that. Gotta get the watt box going.
Oh boy. Second run.
If it's knocking, I ain't answering. That's all I'm gonna say.
What are we thinking today?
We're gonna see if the car is running right on this one. I think it's probably gonna be one of the last ones too because they're closing soon.
A little behind the scene action.
Yeah, I get that draggy going. It's working.
Setting up the angles up. The angles right.
happened, but I hit second gear. It said second on the dash because the Mustang will tell you which gear you're in. You'll see it on the GoPro footage. It said second, but it didn't engage second. And then I looked back on the log, it pulled timing, so I just let off completely when it didn't go into second, or maybe I missed, I don't know. I don't think I missed, but it did not go into second when it said second on the dash. I sent it to the tuner, let's see what he says. And yeah, we ran a great time of 13 after I let off.
The unbeatable curse.
3 days later.
Suspicions were confirmed, the car was down in power, and I really just need to practice that 60 foot overall, you know. Possibly give it more RPMs off the watt box, so tuner said if you bog, raise it to 5,500 next time, and we'll see how that goes. Maybe it'll hook up and bog less. But yeah, we gotta address why the NOx sensors are going off. I have no clue why. Send it to Alex, he'll get back to me. But I do think we need to do something with this bumper after the track day because it just doesn't look good. You know, half of the splitter hanging off or the splitter completely ripped off, the lower portion gone. So we're gonna take the Sawzall and start cutting some things up and make it look a little bit better. Guys, what? We're gonna break that world record for the manual ESS. So it's a 990, Coyote Fury has it. I watch his videos on here, he's pretty cool, but just know we're coming for your record with the ESS. We are going lower than a 9.9 with this car. Where's the Sawzall though? Let's start cutting. Little makeover action if you ask me. See if we can make it. Ah, so close. You guys got to hit me up for all your custom bumper modification needs. I'm just kidding, but it honestly doesn't look bad now. So I just trimmed it all up, took out the extra tabs where the splitter would go, because this car comes with 2 splitters. And yeah, it looks pretty clean. I might take out that middle portion right there so you can see the intercooler a little bit better. Only that fog light didn't get ruined. On that note, if you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll be back at the track when we resolve the issue that is causing all that timing to be pulled out. I'm gonna do like another service on the car, change out the plugs and everything, because that watt box is probably hard on the plugs. And yeah, we'll address it, go back, have all the timing so we actually make 900 plus, 19 PSI the entire time, not have power pulled. I'm also gonna go back and try 5,500 RPMs for the launch. And I guess you all will have to stay tuned for the next track day in this car, where it goes 9s, where you're gonna see my journey to 9s. It shouldn't take too long. I'm really dialing in the shifts, I just need to practice the launch more.